So, lovely day in Bruges. Done some fags, got some booze, and with me and Mr. Mosser, we're just driving out of Bruges. The sun's come out. It's a lovely day, and if I just turn the phone around, we wound the windows down, and then an almighty must have been a big bird because it has shit.
Everywhere
all
on my fucking car.
all in the
Shit everywhere. Shit.
It's made my day. Funniest thing ever. But Christ almighty, it felt like the roof was going to cave in. It was that much. Let's just have another look.
Yeah,
Look, on my arm. No, on the door. Look at it. It's all everywhere. Look.
All down there on the chair.